Hey there, creators! In today's video, we're going to explore an incredible open-source tool for generating, editing, and translating video subtitles. Introducing Subtitle Edit, a powerful software that can automatically generate subtitles from speech in multiple languages and create translations. One thing I particularly love about this tool is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. To get started, let's begin by downloading the installer. Once you've installed the program, you can easily launch it from the Start menu. Before diving into our work, I prefer adjusting a few settings. Subtitle Edit offers convenient preset profiles, such as Netflix or Amazon. You can customize the speed at which the subtitles change by setting the maximum length, or adjusting the length and number of lines. If a subtitle exceeds these parameters, it will be highlighted in the list beside the video. I also appreciate that Subtitle Edit includes a dark theme which adds a visually pleasing touch. To begin, open your file either by selecting Open from the menu or simply dragging and dropping it into the video area. If you don't have a video file with speech, don't worry. I've included a sample video in the blog article linked below. The videos are sourced from Pexels, also linked in the article, and the voice was generated using Tortoise TTS. I'll let Subtitle Edit download MPV Player to show the video. To automatically generate subtitles, navigate to Video and select Audio to Text. From my experience, the Whisper speech recognition model yields the best results, though Vosk works very well too. If you haven't installed FFmpeg or Whisper, Subtitle Edit will prompt you to download and install them directly from within the application. I recommend choosing the medium Whisper model for improved accuracy, but if you're working with a long video, a faster model might be more suitable. Once you've made your selections, click Generate to initiate the speech recognition process. Once finished, you'll find the subtitles neatly organized in the table on the left-hand side. To save the generated subtitles, simply click the Save button or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+S. If you wish to translate the subtitles automatically, head over to Auto Translate in the top menu. Select your desired language from the drop-down menu and click Translate. Now all that's left is to save the newly translated subtitles. You can repeat this process for any language you wish to include. Adding your Google API key can improve translation accuracy, but it's not required. The amount of text I'm going to translate falls within the free tier, so I'll quickly set up a key. The app will still generate translations without this step, so feel free to skip this part. To add your Google Translate API key, you'll need to create a Google Cloud account, set up a first project, and add a billing account. Then you need to enable the Translation API for your project. This will make it possible to generate an API key which lets you use the translation service. Once you've got the key, paste it into the Google Translate API key field. Now let's continue translating. We will add a few more translated subtitles to our video. Editing subtitles is a breeze as well. You can split subtitles by right-clicking on the waveform and selecting Split. To adjust the start and end timings of a subtitle, simply move the edges accordingly. Each subtitle can be individually edited within the text box. If you've made significant changes and want to ensure accuracy, the spell check tool can come in handy for detecting any typos. Once you've saved all the subtitle files in the same folder, video players like VLC will automatically recognize and display the subtitle options. This also makes it effortless to upload each subtitle to YouTube. If you prefer embedding the subtitles directly into the video file, navigate to Video and select Generate Video with Added Removed Embedded Subtitles. Click Add and select all your subtitle files. Then click Generate and choose a file name and type. I like playing the file in VLC to check I didn't miss anything.
Subtitles are a great way to make your video accessible to a wider audience. To expand your reach even further, you can now include multilingual audio tracks.
Now, you have all the subtitles merged into a single file, ready to be played by any video player that supports subtitles. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it and want to help others discover this content, please tap the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more content creation videos. Thanks for watching.